In this video we'll be showing you the SPS2300 set up for a customer with a custom programming for a cafe with eat-in or take-out facilities. So to use the machine, the person simply logs on and this will account the sale to that person or operator, and then they choose eat-in or take-out, and this will affect what happens to the tax or VAT on the products that are sold. So in this case we'll choose take-out, and then we sell the items. So a couple of drinks, we could have some sandwiches, and we'll have a pizza. Back to the main menu, and here we can see that take-out has appeared on the order. Then we can then have the option to say that the customer is either inside or outside. And then we can also give them an order number. This could be a table number for the customer to pay later, or it could be an order number for them to be called, or to be called when the order is ready. So we'll choose 15 and choose order number, and that's now put order number 15 at the top here. Once we're finished with it, we simply press the cash. The cash drawer opens, and our printer is set up at the moment, so we have one printer on this. So this is designed that a kitchen order has now been produced with order number 15 on it, with the sandwiches that need to be produced. It's take out with a ham sandwich, take out chicken tikka with extra bacon. It's take out and the person is sitting outside and the order number is 15. So this can now, if they wanted to, be taken into the kitchen, or you could have a separate printer that would print this. The receipt has also given a full breakdown without that information, and at the bottom of the receipt here the VAT split is shown. You could also have your store name or cafe name at the top of the receipt. Thank you for watching this video.